Hi there and welcome to this video on the new Aquamedic MV monitor. The Aquamedic MV monitor is available now and is a product for the continuous monitoring of redox potential in your aquarium. Let's have a look what it comes with. In the packaging itself, you'll find this leaflet with a QR code. If you take a picture of the QR code, it will send you directly to the Aquamedic website, which you can download the full instructions in multiple languages. The monitor itself comes with an MV electrode. It has a standard BNC connection and it also has 2 meters of wire, so you can easily locate it anywhere in the aquarium while still reaching the monitor. It comes with the MV monitor display. The probe connects easily onto the unit for location in the aquarium. It comes with a rubber sucker which attaches to the electrode, and then again that's easily located either in your sump or in the aquarium itself. The next thing is a power supply, and the power supply is universal and low voltage. The power supply itself has got 1.5 meters of cable and multiple plugs for using any region with different electrical systems. The plug itself connects on, pushes and clicks, easy to use, and then should you wish, can be removed and different electrical supplies, again for different regions. The monitor itself is easy to read, and as already said, it gives you continuous readout. The monitor can be attached to the aquarium or into the cabinet by use of a double-sided tape, which is attached on and then attached, or a new feature, which is new to a lot of the Aquamedic products now. You screw it onto the cabinet, connected, and then easily removed should you need to for maintenance. It also comes with a small screwdriver, which is used to calibrate the unit should you wish to. If you need to in the future, you can buy a 230 millivolt test solution to calibrate your probe. That's the new MV monitor from Aquamedic, and it's available now. Thanks for watching.